Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
What is up, guys? So today we're gonna be heading to the junkyard. I'm with Miguel right now, and we're heading over there for a customer. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys my new car. I got rid of the EK hatch, and it was for a good cause. Just know that. But Miguel, tell him what you gotta say real quick.
Bro, I got a lot of shit coming, man. He's got a lot of shit coming too, but I ordered a lot of fucking parts for my car. But pretty soon we're gonna be going to Rhode Island soon. Once me and Anthony's cars are running good, we have another friend of ours. They have a group called Bucket Boys. We're supposed to go to Rhode Island, just chill with them, make a couple videos. A couple races are gonna go down. Bunch of cool shit. But right now we're gonna go to the junkyard right now, get a couple parts for a customer, get that out the way, show you guys Anthony's car, do a tune-up. And yeah, the videos are just gonna keep coming, man.
So today we're gonna try to give you guys as much content as we can for today. Alright, so we just got back from the junkyard. We was able to find the part that we needed for our customer, but for his customer.
I found the oil dipstick.
And he found Advance to pick up your part. So we're going to Advance actually, because I'm doing a tune-up, not a full tune-up, but just basic spark plug wires, spark plugs, fuel filter, and I'm not gonna worry too much about the oil right now because I think I should be fine. But as far as that, we're gonna stop at Advance and get the parts I need for the tune-up that I'm about to do for my car. And stay tuned, guys. Later on, I'm gonna be showing you guys the car that I have.
So your boy just picked up some oil, both of us. You know what I'm saying? Only the best for our babies. Royal purple. Got his spark plugs, his oil filter. We tried to get his spark lines, but they didn't have them in stock. So we're gonna see if we buy them next week instead of just buying them today. We'll just fuck around and, I don't know, smoke hookah or some shit. But yeah, man.
Alright, so right after the junkyard, we headed to AutoZone to pick up a distributor for my car because my car was running kind of funny. But we picked up everything we needed. We got spark plugs, distributor, oil filter, oil, and Miguel's gonna be doing a oil change on his car too. But this is the car I picked up, guys. Regular 4-door EF. I think they're going for like the American theme on this car because they got white, blue, and red. Saturdays are for the boys. But this shit is fucking clean. It had a rear spoiler on it. I took it off, so we're gonna be covering the hose on it. But guys, no rust, barely any, just that. But this shit is fucking clean. Only from this side. This is the interior. This shit is fucking clean. I'm not too worried about the back because the back is getting gutted anyways. I'm just gonna keep the front.
Alright guys, so this is the motor he's rocking with. It's D16 A6. It's almost like the old CRXs or like the old SIs. That shit stink, right? Yeah, that fart was crazy. The only thing that really changes between them is the cam. The cam from the SIs were a lot more aggressive than this one. But so far, what are your plans? The motor, same plan, right? Turbo?
Yeah, this stock D16 turbo.
Basically the same thing he was going to do to the EK hatch. He's going to do to this. And this would be a lot doper because there's literally all he has to do is just make it look nice and just put on the turbo. But let's get this distributor started. So I didn't even mention why we're changing the distributor, but what's happening is for some reason the motor is sputtering. It's getting spark, which we're gonna try again. I'm gonna test the spark because I didn't check it. It was somebody else. Spark, fuel pump, check everything, make sure everything's working right. Get rid of what doesn't need to be on the car because there's a lot of extra wires and bullshit that's just sitting around.
You seen that?
Yeah, but yeah, let's get that distributor on and then go from there. See what I mean by all the wires that are like just everywhere? This is here because of the MSD that's on the side of the frame. clean up a couple of his wiring, but this distributor, I think it's bad. I think that's what's causing his car to fuck up. Just, dude, look at the wires are split. It's starting to crack in there. I don't know. It sounds like a crank position sensor. That's what it sounds like. And trust me, I have a lot of experience with that shit. Lewis's EM2 did it. My Accord did it. His fucking CL did it. Alright, so we got the new distributor on. We got the spark plugs off. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but these things are beat, bro.
My guy.
These are really beat.
I was looking for the bottom part if they were.
Those are bad. But the new distributor's on. Everything's plugged in. Everything fit. We're gonna change the spark plugs and then crank her up, see if she starts. Moment of truth. It turned off by itself? Maybe it was the air. It sounds a lot healthier. Told you. There you go. Hold that. Alright, let's see if it'll start again. By itself, no assistance. So we don't know what the problem is. We changed out the distributor. We checked if there was spark. We checked if there was the fuel pump is priming. We moved the distributor back and forth, see if that would help. It just I don't know what it is. He doesn't know what it is, and it just damn. What is up, guys? It's the next day after we couldn't get the car started. Fix a flat. I'll give it to Sean. So it's the next day where we're trying to get the EF started. So yesterday I didn't get to record it because I lost my wallet and I was bugging out. But I called up Randy yesterday night, and literally I had said yesterday, oh, check the grounds. I don't know where the grounds are on this car because mine, I could see all of mine. But there was a ground that I guess whoever had this car before had painted over it, and the ground wouldn't, there was no connection really. So it was making, and then on top of that, the bolt that was holding it was loose. So it was just moving back and forward and causing the car to just shut off, but turn on when it wanted to. But now we're having an issue where his RPM gauge won't work, his hot or cold fucking gauge or whatever isn't working. His RPM gauge and his mile per hour gauge isn't working. So we're gonna see what we can do about that. He's cleaning out the car right now. It's a lot of shit in it.
Engine degreaser parts cleaner.
Dude, throw that shit out. But we're gonna at least try and make it look a little bit nicer than what it already is. Clean up the engine bay a little bit, get rid of the MSD or whatever the fuck it is. And take it for a test ride. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, so we finally cleaned out his trunk. Now we've got to vacuum it.
That's all the shit I don't need that was in there.
I can tell you, my boy's a hoarder. He is a hoarder.
Bro, the car came like that.
Anything that he thinks he can use, he'll keep it. Guys, would you keep these gay ass mirrors? No, right?
Bro, like this right here, this is useful.
Oh, I'm sorry, you have a drill? You see this? You see this? And now look at it. That's how you clean it up. So the inside is done. Looks a lot cleaner. No more wires hanging. Everything's tucked in. And like I keep saying, now we're moving to the front. Alright, so the MSD is out. This was a pain in the ass to take off. That's out. We fixed some grounds. Yeah. I told you.
Look what happens when I hazard.
This one's working. We'll check that now. Alright, so now we're having a problem. The hazards work, press the hazards. The hazards work, right? But what's happening right now is the blinkers don't want to work.
Watch, click left. Doesn't even light up.
Yeah, something's not right. There's still a couple wiring problems that we gotta fix, but we're gonna leave that for another time. As of right now, where are the hubcaps? Actually, let's not put the hubcaps on because we gotta go pick up the wheels first.
Yeah.
So I'll call Elias if we go pick up the wheels right now, switch them out, and then go from there. Before we leave, we just threw on the strut bar that was in the trunk. We didn't think it was for this car, but it actually fit. We're gonna see if it closes without any issues. Oh, it closed. Good shit. Alright, let me call Elias. Oh yeah, my boy's driving. Headed to Elias's house right now.
I can't do any pulls yet because my wheels are like fucked up. So we're gonna head to Elias's house, pick up the steelies, and I got you guys with a pull.
Burnout too? So we have the wheels, you know, he's chilling comfortably, bro. I'm like up against the glass, you know. I'm so close to the damn windshield that it just turned off the camera. The wheels are behind me though, you know. They're sitting pretty nice. I'm sitting mad fucking uncomfortable.
What is up, guys? So we just got back from Elias's, picked up the steelies. So now I'm gonna be jacking up the car and putting on the steelies. So I'll be right back with the new steelies. And I got you guys with a pull.
Alright, so we got the two front wheels on. We're gonna throw the SI hubcaps on it and watch you guys see the difference from how it looks now. I don't know, let's just keep zooming in. From how it looks now to how it looks with hubcaps and with the hubbies on. Told you guys it would look a lot better, but I think because the tires from the front are a little bigger, it lifted the front end just a tad, but it still looks good. That's it for today's video, right? We don't have nothing else to do
Besides the pull.
Oh, you're right, we gotta do a pull. Let's go. No more wheel wobble. Where are you going? Oh shit, he's about to do a pull. The fuck was that, bro? Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Right now I'm editing the video right now, smoking some hookah. And if it looks different or sounds different, it's because I'm using my phone right now. The camera just died. Both batteries are dead. But until the next one, see you guys.